guys, it's good morning right now. It's already 1:50 in the morning. Yeah, probably the same video before this you guys played, or yeah, I recorded same day, same time. Just I finished the video recently, just now, or just now you guys watching, and this is the next video. So this is the first product in unboxing. Actually, it's already been unboxing because I'm using it for a product shoot and portrait shoots. So yeah, actually, but this one is the first one. Is what you call it? It's a Pampas Grass. Pampas Grass. Pampas Grass. Pampas Grass. It's something like that. It's called. It's spelled by P-A-M-S. P-A-M-S. Eh? No. P-A-M-S. P-A-S. Pampas Grass. Yeah, it's flowy like this, but messy. It's very messy, but it's good for portrait shot for female, of course. Not something like me. It's not sajat or something like that, but it's nice, and it's got natural color or nude color. Yeah, really nice. So this is the first one that I bought. That already reached me, and I need to use it as set. Then we already ordered the second one from another supplier, another shop, what you call it, Shopee, something like that. Alright, this is the first one. Don't worry, I'm gonna put the link below for this one. It's not big, not small. About 40 centimeters or 50 centimeters plus minus. Alright, let's take the second one. Yeah. This so damn long. I'm gonna get back to you guys. I forgot to bring my knife or scissors. How the hell am I gonna be unboxing without scissors? I'm not using my teeth, that's for sure. Wait for it. Alright. Alright, I'm already got scissors to unboxing another Pampas Grass. I don't know how to pronounce it. If in Asia right now, in Malaysia we call it Pampas Grass, down Pampas. I'm not really sure. Actually, I've been looking for this like in years, but just only found out my friend said it to me. Aku cari lah daun pampas. What fish? Daun pampas. Yeah, searching in Shopee. Then I found this. So in wondering, is it good quality or something like that? So that's why I ordered two. The first one is this. The second one is this. So damn long. I'm not sure is it just the box or the product itself is quite long. Alright, the one of truth. Alright, I ordered 6 pieces and I saw 6 from the bottom. What's this? 3 perkara perlu dilakukan selepas membuka pampas dari bungkusan. Gantung pampas di bawah matahari tempat kering for 10 to 15 minutes. And spray with hairspray. Hairspray. Alright. Yeah, okay. Let's take it off. Man, still going. Damn. Nara. Thanks for purchase Nara Cluster. Damn. Okay. Literally, this thing is way much longer than this tabletop. Okay. This tabletop, if not mistaken, is around 150 cms. No. 100 cms. 120 cents. It's way longer. Not sure, but you guys can check it out. I will put the link below there. Damn. But based on the instruction here, it says I need to put this under the sun for 10 to 15 minutes. Then using a hairspray, spray down. Okay, I never used a hairspray before. Maybe I can buy something, or maybe I can steal my sister's. Alright, let's start tomorrow. Right now it's 2 a.m. in the morning. But this is good, but oh, what a mess. Really good quality. I love it. This is what Asian Malaysian call gebu gebu. Gebu gebu. But in English, if not Mexican, it's fluffy. It's fluffy. But Malaysian call it gebu. Nice. Oh yeah. In upcoming videos, mostly I'm gonna use English as middle language. So these videos, and people outside Malaysia who just understand English, it's much easier for them to understand these videos. So that's it for this Pampas Grass. For this alright, if you guys see clearly, this one is the color is way lighter. This one is a bit darker. I'm not sure is it because I haven't unboxing yet. Maybe we check after we put in under the sun for half an hour maybe. Then I'm gonna share the result of the shoot lah using this. Stay tuned, okay? As far as it is.